Hey Math 1, welcome to the first video of Chapter 4. We're digging into the realms of graphing, which we haven't really done so far yet. So hold tight, we're going to get through this together. I'm going to start fairly basic with ordered pairs, and then we're going to move on to what's called rate of change. So I think everybody has seen this before where you've got points scattered on an XY plane, and you're basically just asked to say, okay, what's the X coordinate and what's the Y coordinate? So when you think about X and Y, the X represents how far you have to travel along the X axis to get to the point. The Y coordinate represents how far you got to travel along the Y axis to get to that point. So it's pretty much X is the left coordinate, horizontal, Y, right, vertical. So when you see something like G, you have to travel right 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So the X coordinate is 4. And then you have to travel up 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So the Y coordinate is 4. So we've already got G right here. It's an ordered pair 4, 4. Now right now I just pause the video and see if you can accurately get E, F, and H on your own. All right, let's see if you're right. So for E, you have to go left 2 units so my X coordinate is left 2. You got to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coordinates, so your Y coordinate is -5. So direction matters. Direction matters. If you're going left, you put a negative. If you're going down, you put a negative. F, you're going left 1, so that would be -1. You're going up 4, so that would be, I'm sorry, not up 4, up 1. So you're going to go +1. So it's -1, 1. Left or down, plus means right or up. And then H right here, that's going to end up being left 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 2. So hopefully you guys are like, oh yeah, I remember seeing that back in 6th grade, maybe in 7th grade, maybe in 8th grade. And you're certainly seeing it right now. Now let's just do the opposite. What happens when you're given an ordered pair and you have to plot it on the XY axis? Well, to keep things simple, we always say, just let this be the y-axis vertically and this be the x-axis horizontally every time so that we're not confusing ourselves whenever we go from, one person's coordinate system to another. Vertical, y, horizontal, x. So you see J, it says 2, 5. That just means starting at the origin, you're going to go right 2 units, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. You're going to plot a point and then label it J. And that's all. Got it. Try it with these on your own. Pause the video. All right, let's see if you're correct. L, 0. Okay, so when I start at the origin, I'm not going left or right because the X coordinate is 0. But the Y coordinate is down 3, so I'm going down 1, 2, 3. So this point on the y-axis is L. K, you're going to go start at the origin, left 1, then up 1, 2, 3, 4. Label it K. M, left 2 for my -2, and then down 2. All right, so this is the first part of the chapter. Just can we graph ordered pairs? And then can we actually write the ordered pairs when we see points? I'm actually going to stop the video right now because rates of change offer a lot more explanation. So yeah, I'm going to stop the video short here.